Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northeastern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, east central Howard County in central Maryland,
Baltimore City
southeastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 9:15 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Arbutus to Fort Smallwood State Park, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecure the light projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Pikesville, Mid River, Elk Ridge, Riviera Beach, North Point State Park, Sparrows Point, Fort Smallwood State Park, Bodkin Point, Back River, Wheeler's Island, Glen Burnie, Ellicott City, Dundalk, Towson, Catonsville, Essex, Woodlawn, Parkville, and Lochran. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a statement from the National Weather